Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up some Hot Wheels cars that are ready to tear up the dirty back roads because this is the Backroad Rally set. Number 1 out of 6 in the Backroad Rally set is the white Ford Escort. Number 2 out of 6 in this set is the yellow and black 2008 Lancer Evolution. Number 3 in the rally is the bright green Volkswagen Scirocco GT24. Number 4 from the Backroads is the aqua blue Mini Cooper S Challenge. Number 5 out of 6 is the metallic orange 2009 Ford Focus RS. Number 6 out of 6 in the Backroad Rally set is the black Subaru WRX STI. So there we have all 6 Hot Wheels rally cars ready to take on and tear up the back roads. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.